fun to abbreviate and not even be really sure what you just wrote. Ham cheddar grilled for ham and cheddar grilled cheese sandwiches. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, January 16th. It is time for Plan As You Go, where I show how I use my planners all month. It's pouring rain outside. You probably hear it in the background because I'm right next to my double glass doors. I love the rain. And I don't have to go anywhere, which is amazing because then I don't have to get wet. My husband just left for work, though. Poor guy. Yesterday, oh my God. So I was so full of energy in the morning, so excited. And then as the day progressed, I felt awful. My heart was racing. I feel like it's side effects from the prednisone. I just was not feeling great. And everything I did yesterday took twice as long as I thought it was going to. I did renew my library card, which I'll check off today. But I didn't get all the things I wanted to get done because I just didn't. Everything else took so long. But anyway. Let's get started. Today's lettering is revise, which is very appropriate for given what I just talked about. And today's doodling is Roy Koopa. He kind of looks like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle of the Koopas. I decided to get a little extra with my lettering to maybe perk me up. I don't know if it worked or not. I did not hit 10,000 steps yesterday, which is a good thing because my foot was really hurting, and hitting 10,000 steps on Tuesday was not the greatest thing in the world for me. But I did memory keep, and I did the morning routine, and the memory keeping seems to be going pretty well this month. So, yay? Question mark? But that was all I got done off of this list. So today I have some more work to do on the Skillshare class. That's going to be happening. I'm going to be doing a crock pot meal today, so that'll come off of this list, a new one. And hopefully we'll get some budgeting work done. We'll see. Hopefully. Now in my Erin Condren, yesterday I did everything on this list except for finish this. So I'm going to try and get some more work done on that today. Because everything else, like my video, took twice as long to film and to edit. And then there's a couple other things I had to do that took longer. The time for this just got eaten up. There just wasn't enough time in the day. However, I don't think I'm kind of doing the Skillshare class a little bit differently this time. So instead of the filming is actually not going to take quite as long because I'm doing some other things as well. So I will have some more time to work on this today. So I'm going to move this over here. I did meal plan last night because I didn't have a lot of time to do other things, but I did have a few minutes to do that. And I did it in the evening when I didn't think I was going to. So that got taken off my priority list, which is awesome because that frees up a little bit of time today. So getting some stuff work done on the Skillshare class, most definitely today. I want to get this Chrisanne Designs list over onto today as well. I have a phone call at 5 p.m. on this day. Not this phone call, it's a different phone call. A phone call at 5 p.m., another video to edit. It's a lot of things to fit on here. Well, let's see if I can get them all in here. Plus I need to get my meal plans and my weather put in. Maybe I'll start with that while I'm thinking about it. Or I guess I'll just update the whole thing right now. Because who fucking knows? Pouring rain. It's fun to abbreviate and not even be really sure what you just wrote. Ham cheddar grilled for ham and cheddar grilled cheese sandwiches. Ooh, and I get to cross this off because that's done. So I've got those two extra things added to my day, and I was able to add the phone call down here, so I'm pretty full. Every time I look at this, I'm so happy with how it looks. Is that silly? Is that vain? Is that planner vanity? Planety? I don't know. Probably. I also made my list of everything I need to do for the Women's March, which is going to take up probably some of my evening time tonight. Oh, maybe I should squish one more thing up here. I don't want to, but I should. Balls. We have a pop-up canopy now for outdoor events for our church that I ordered, and I need to open it up tonight with Jesse's help and make sure that everything is in working condition and that we have everything we need, and I need to find out if we need to get the sandbags filled up or not. So all that to be said, that's tonight too. Got it off to the side to remind me of what my priorities are for the day. Yesterday my hair was curly. I kept it up. I was like, fuck it. Here's my bullet journaling from yesterday, and here's the list of to-dos that I made. Like I said, I crossed some things off because I couldn't get to them, and some other things got moved. So I'm going to make my list for today. Like I said in yesterday's video, I need to get a lot of work done today because tomorrow is going to be sucked up with appointments and prep for the march on Saturday. I will be so glad when this march is over just to get that like particular situation done. Like I'm glad to be doing it. That it's not even legible. That's even worse. I'm not sure. I think I might either want to get a different stamp that's maybe a little less jank, or maybe just come to terms with the fact that I suck ass at stamping. Which I do, but this is the closest thing to stamping on a regular basis I've ever done. Whatever. Context. If I get the 17th on here as well, I'll know what day this was supposed to be. Anyway. All right, here's my list. It's basically everything I just talked about. All of the stuff from my Erin Condren planner to get done for the day. If I can get through all of this without too much misery, then the next day should go well. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to handle my kids and my husband being home from school on Monday, if I'm going to take the day off or if I'm going to try to get some work done in the morning. I have a lot of work to do. Ooh. It feels like they just had their break, which they did. This is their first week back at school, and next week they have a 4-day week. Oh my God. What even is that? What even is that? And the funny thing is my whole body right now just wants to cuddle up on the couch with a blanket and a book and just chillax the fuck out because it's raining. And maybe that's the question of the day I'm going to leave you with. What is your favorite thing to do when it's raining? What is your favorite rainy day activity besides not going anywhere? Because I'm sure we can probably all agree that staying in on a rainy day is better than going anywhere and having to walk around in the rain. But of course, if I'm wrong, you can let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in tomorrow's Plan As You Go video.